Hello students and welcome to class 5th English grammar YouTube video. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 12 from our grammar gate book, and the name of the chapter is Elements of a Sentence. Students, a sentence is a group of words that are put together to mean something. In other words, we can say a sentence is the basic unit of language which expresses a complete thought. It simply means that a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense, which makes the sentence or group of words sensible. He is a good boy. It is example. It is a statement. So, he is a good boy. Now again, is he a good boy? It is a question. And again, what a nice weather. It is exclamation. So these all are the types of sentence. There are two types of elements in a sentence: subjects and predicate. Subject and predicate. The subject which tells us what the sentence is about, and the predicate is that part of the sentence which gives us information about the subject. You can have some examples. Hari ate carrots. Ruby switched on the lights. Simi and Polly went to watch a play. Now the colored one, Hari, Ruby, Simi and Polly, you can see these we are talking about. Okay, Hari, we are talking about Hari. And what did he did? He ate carrots. So sentence 1 talks about Hari, who ate carrots. Therefore, Hari is the subject of the sentence. In the same way, Ruby in sentence 2 and Simi and Polly in sentence 3 are subjects. Now again, the definition is there. A subject is that part of a sentence that tells us what the sentence is about, or for whom and who does the action in the sentence. It can be a noun or a pronoun. Means the subject can be a noun or a pronoun. We are talking about whom we are talking about or who does the action. Okay? The word in italics in each sentence are the predicate of the sentence. A predicate normally answers the question, what did the subject do? All these inform the reader about what the subject did. Means it tells us about the work of the subject. What action, what did the subject does. Now the definition is this: that part of a sentence which tells what the subject does is called the predicate. The subject usually comes before the predicate. You can have some examples. That girl can draw well. Now that girl is the subject part because we are talking about that girls, and what they can do, can draw well, means the action they can do. So this is the predicate part. Again, India is a secular country. We are talking about India, so India is the subject here. And now again is a secular country, so it is the predicate part. I hope you have understood. Now again, you can have some more examples. Maya is waiting at the bus stop. Maya, we are talking about Maya, so Maya is the subject, is waiting at the bus stop is the predicate part. Okay, she is an obedient girl, so she is the subject, is an obedient girl is the predicate part. Now again, I didn't say that a single word is always the subject of the sentence. maybe many words can be the subject of the sentence. You can see in third example, the bravery of the villagers saved the elephant. Now we are talking about the villagers, but not only villagers, we are talking about the bravery of the villagers. So the bravery of the villagers is the subject, and save the elephant is the predicate part. Now again, you can see the fourth example. All the teachers of my school are very cooperative. Now again, you can see all the teachers of my school. We are talking about the teachers of my school, but all the teachers. So all the teachers of my school are the subject. Again, however, in some cases the subject can come after the predicate part. You can see some example. We also know that somewhere in some places subject can come after the predicate part. You can see, standing on the beach were 4 naughty boys. Now standing on the beach is the predicate part and 4 naughty boys is the subject. Short and exciting was the vacation. We are talking about the vacation, so it is a subject, and we are talking about how was the vacation. So short and exciting was, so it is the predicate. Again, now we will talk about subject and object. There is another part of a sentence that we need to look at. It is object. Look at these statements. The girls cleaned the garden. Now the girls is the subject and the circle one garden is the object. In these sentences, you can see the action done by the subject is received by the nouns in the circle. Means just like Jaya washed the dish. Jaya washed the dish. Now again, what does the Jaya do, and with whom? So he washed the dish. Dish means plates. Plates. So Jaya washed the dish. Again, Kusum helped her sister. Now again, she helped her sister. So sister and dish is the object part. So the action done by the subject is received by the nouns in circle. They are the objects of the sentence. I hope it is clear to you all. You can see it always answers the question just like predicate part did, but it answers the question in short. You can see, what did the girls clean? The garden. Means they cleaned the garden. Again, what did Jaya wash? The dish. Okay. Whom did Kusum help? Her sister. So these all are the object part. So the definition is, the entity that is acted upon by the subject is called object. The object receives the effect of the verb and is often placed after the main verb. For understanding this, you can have an example. Sita is doing the work. Now again, Sita is the subject, is the helping verb, doing is the main verb, and the work is the object. So main verb is placed before the object. Okay, it always stated like that only. The object does not perform the action like the subject. Means the object does not perform the action, it receives the action. Means the action is done on it only. Okay. So I hope the chapter is clear to you all students. If any doubt, then please ask in the comment box. Thank you students.